Imagine starting with just $100. No contacts, no house, no job. And the goal? To turn that $100 into $1 million in just 90 days. Sounds impossible, right? But this is exactly what the American billionaire Glenn Stearns tried to prove in the TV show Undercover Billionaire. After recovering from throat cancer, Glenn wanted to prove something important. Success is not luck, it is a mindset. So he went to a small city called Erie in Pennsylvania with almost nothing. All he had was $100, an old car, and a phone with no contacts. His living expenses were about $1,100 per month. That means he needed $3,300 just to survive for 3 months. So he set his first goal, make $3,300 in the first week. To save money, he slept in his car and ate cheap food. But after just 3 days, his money dropped to only $29. Things were not going well. He tried selling tennis balls, but he completely failed. Instead of giving up, he took a small job printing t-shirts and made $60. Then he posted online saying he was willing to do any job. Soon someone hired him to clean an apartment for $80. By the end of the first week, he had $169. Not much, but it was a start. Then Glenn heard about a big festival happening in the city. He invested almost all his money in printed t-shirts, small gifts, and balloons. He partnered with a t-shirt shop owner and started selling at the festival. In just one day, they made $414. But the tough living conditions affected his health. He had to visit a doctor and spent $200. Then on day 9, Glenn found an online ad from someone looking to buy used car tires. Without wasting time, he went to junkyards searching for good tires. He found 5. After inspection, only 2 were usable. But those 2 tires were sold for $1,500 each. Suddenly, his capital jumped dramatically. Glenn realized something important. The fastest way to grow his money was flipping used cars. He found a Honda Civic for $700. He cleaned it, parked it in a busy area, and listed it for $4,500. After negotiations, he sold it for $3,900. Now his capital was almost $4,000. He repeated the same strategy again. This time he bought an Escalade for $1,500. Later he sold it for $7,600. By day 20, his capital had reached about $9,000. But Glenn knew that real money comes from real estate. So he found a house that needed repairs. He paid a $6,600 deposit, and the bank approved a $100,000 loan for renovations. But problems appeared. Renovation costs reached $9,600, and Glenn was left with only $500. One mistake now could destroy everything. Finally, after the renovations were finished, an investor came to see the house. He offered $75,000 in cash. Glenn accepted immediately. After calculating the costs, he made about $20,000 in profit. Now, Glenn had a bigger idea. Instead of just trading, he decided to build a brand. He called it Underdog BBQ. The name represents someone who starts from nothing and fights to win. His plan was simple. Open a barbecue restaurant, sell sauces online across the country, and partner with local drink manufacturers. This way the brand value could grow much faster. But there was only one problem. He had just 10 days left. Glenn and his team joined a big city festival. Their goal was $25,000 in sales. After 4 intense days, they made $21,600. That was enough to launch the restaurant. Finally, day 90 arrived. The restaurant Underdog BBQ opened its doors. The opening was huge. Many people showed up because the brand had already become popular through the festival and online sales. Then a business valuation expert came to evaluate the company. The result was incredible. The brand was valued at $700,000. Glenn didn't reach the $1 million goal in 90 days, but he came very close. And more importantly, he proved something powerful. Success is not about how much money you start with. It is about mindset, strategy, and persistence. At the end of the challenge, Glenn revealed the truth to his team. He wasn't a struggling entrepreneur. He was already a billionaire. And he did this challenge to prove to himself and to his children that success isn't luck. It is the result of determination and the way you think. If you enjoyed this story and want to see more inspiring business stories like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, do you think you could turn $100 into $1 million in 90 days? Don't forget to like the video because your support helps this channel grow and bring you more amazing stories.